Tiffany Harlick, and I have a blog called Trailer Food Diaries. So my blog informs people of where the trailer food vendors are, and also in terms of what they're doing for their own entrepreneurial efforts. And it's just kind of the stories and histories and unique backgrounds of everybody involved in trailer food. You know, I kind of created a job for myself, really. There wasn't one resource for what was happening in the trailer food industry in Austin. So I made this database and kind of went from there and really, you know, created a job for myself and started promoting the trailer food scene here in town, and kind of blew up from there. I love that the people there that are involved in it are working for themselves. I love that they care about service. I love that they care about food. I love that we have a lot of people that are really concerned about locally, growing locally and purchasing local food and just being together in community, all those things.